Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another weekly plan with me. I really loved using these inserts last week if you watched my plan with me. This is how it is turning out so far and I really love this spread. I think it turned out beautifully. So I definitely want to keep planning in my A5 as I'm really liking it. So I thought this week I would use our Ophelia kit just because it's really tranquil and it's a pretty quiet week other than work for us, so I thought it would be perfect. So I'll just go through what you get with the kit. I won't be using all of it, but I'll just show you. You get your first functional page, which you've got your heart checklists and lots of different functional and sidebar stickers, and I'm using our matte paper for this week. Then your second functional sheets, you get your to-do and today headers, glitter headers, more appointment labels, bill dues, loads of icons and 2 Hello Weekend banners. Then your gorgeous full boxes, and this is a photo kit and it's just really tranquil, lots of florals. I love this full box here with the chair, it looks really comfortable, and then some block headers. Then you have your to-do checklist and another sidebar checklist and some appointment labels. Then your half, quarter boxes and little things. Your bottom washi and washi strips. And your date covers and deco. So I probably won't be using the washi strips as much as I love them, just because as I said last week, these are gold foil, so I really want to kind of keep this showing. But let's just remove the inserts first. These were a collaboration between the Jacinia from the Planner Sophisticate and Planning World, and unfortunately I don't think they're available anymore, but I do know that the Glam Planner does foiled inserts. So let's just take this out. Okay, so last week I went pretty uniform and popped all of my full boxes across the middle, and I think this week, just for a little bit of change, I'm gonna stagger them. This is the fold out sidebar and you have your Monday there. I don't want to put any date covers down just because the font and the gold foil is so pretty, but I do have my Sesame date dots which are black with gold foil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop those down first. There we go, those are all down. Now I think I'm going to go ahead and work on my sidebar. I'm going to grab a flag. I've got this marble flag here and then a piece of deco like I did last week just to write the week, so I can quickly see when I'm flipping through what week it was, because we don't have, these are undated obviously, so I'm going to pop that down up the top. And then just grab a little piece of deco. I think I'll use this one here. Just like some eucalyptus in a little bucket. Like that. And then I'm going to pop a full box up the top. Which one shall we use? I think this one in the middle is really pretty and I kind of see it every time I flip to my week. So let's put this down. There we go. Then I'm going to pop a couple of habit trackers in. I need to track taking my probiotics because I was quite sick and I got put onto 3 different lots of antibiotics, so I definitely need to get that gut health back in order. So I want to do that, and I want to just make sure that I'm doing my skincare routine every night and every morning. So I'm going to pop that down. Again, kind of in between the gold foil lines so that you can see them coming through. And then the week after this, it is Black Friday and it's going to get pretty crazy here. So I want to spend every day this week just doing a little bit of tidy up and organizing so that it's not completely crazy when we start Black Friday. So I definitely want to use a sidebar sticker, and I've got a to clean header, so I'm going to pop that down. There we go, and I'm just going to leave the rest blank. I might put a little bit of deco down afterwards, but as I said, I don't mind these gold foil lines popping through. I think that looks really nice. So I'm just going to, I think, go ahead and stagger all of my full boxes. I might just speed this through as I figure out like which one I want to go where, and then I'm going to top every one of them with these gold glitter headers. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's start from this so that I don't have any full boxes up the top. Okay, those are all down, and I think that is looking so pretty. I love how that turned out. So again, I'm just going to actually use my to-do boxes this week. So I'm trying to think, yeah, I'll use the boxes and I'll stagger them as well. So let's put the to-do headers on top of them, and I love having this separation like the Erin Condren where you can put the headers there. Yeah, so I'll just go and do the same and stagger those. So of course, as I was putting that down, I was a little bit off with the fairies, and I put the to-do box, the to-do header up the top here, and I wanted to use the weekend banner, but I can't, these matte stickers are non-removable, so I can't take this up without ripping the paper, and I don't have anything like undo. So what I think I'll do is pop the weekend banner down the bottom. Now on the last boxes, I'm going to go ahead and use my today headers, but I thought as I was putting them down, I thought I'd discuss like my planning style and how I've been feeling about planning lately, because I think I really kind of not fell out of love with planning, but kind of like stopped doing it properly for a while, because I was trying all sorts of different things like travelers notebooks and Erin Condren's and all sorts of others, and I just couldn't find what was right for me. So I kind of stopped really loving it for a while, but since I've moved back into my A5 and I'm using my Erin Condren as like a memory planner, I've really gotten back into it again, and I really want to use all my stickers, and I've actually been using it and planning out my week and checking off things and following what I need to do, and it's made me so much more productive like with work and just life. So yeah, I'm glad I've kind of finally found planner peace again. So do you guys ever get like this and get a bit overwhelmed with all the stuff that's out there and what type of planner you should be using? Like, it's really personal, I think. Like, a lot of people really like using travelers notebooks, but I definitely prefer using a ring bound, because especially with this A5 one, you can open it and leave it open on your desk, whereas I found with a lot of the travelers notebooks it was always filled up with too much stuff, and you know, I need clean like things to look at for my brain to work properly and feel organized. So that's why I've kind of gone back to my old school layouts, because I found it was really helping me. So yeah, I'd really like to know what you guys think, and like how you go through your different planners and stickers and organization style, and if you've, you know, reached a roadblock or overcome it and have really found your planner style. So yeah, would love you to let me know that. Okay, so that's all the foundations down. So what I'm going to do is just go through day by day. As I said, this week is mostly work and prep for Black Friday and stuff, so there's not too much going on, but I'll pop a few things in. So on Monday and Tuesday, I've done it like this because I don't know, I just like it how it is at the first half of the week. Our designer Hannah is working both days, so as usual I'm going to mark her working with these two labels, and I think I'll bring in some gold foil for this spread as usual. We also have foil stickers coming to our shop very soon, so I'm really excited about that. Make sure you keep a lookout. I'm hoping to release them this Friday, but it just depends how we go. Okay, also on Monday, my mum is off to the Gold Coast for work, but I just wanted to pop that in to remind myself. So let's use a Little Things, and I might use this green one. I think this is rose gold, is it? I'm not too sure, but I'm going to use this aeroplane icon from Planning World. I'm running out of all my aeroplane icons because my family travels so much, so I need to definitely pick up some more. I'm going to mark that. Then I want to publish this plan with me, so let's grab might use one of these appointment labels with the gold glitter. Here. And from Pigeon Paper Company, this was just like an Oops gold foil sheet. It's got such cute elephants, but I really like these paper clips. So I'm going to use one of those to say that I need to publish this plan with me. And then I need to make our new kitten a vet appointment because he needs to get his booster vaccinations, but I might just pop that on the actual to-do list. So I'll just use like an exclamation mark. Oh no, I've got paw prints. What am I talking about? These paw prints. And just put it up the top here. So I'll do that first thing in the morning. And then I also need to pay my phone bill. So I'm going to grab our little Build You icon sticker and just pop that down the bottom here. And I think that's all I need to do for Monday. The rest is going to go on the to-do list. On Tuesday, I need to do an ASOS return, so I might get a Little Things for that. Let's use this purple one. I bought something and it's actually too big for me, which is a change, so that was nice. And I might just use this envelope icon that we have to mark that. And then I also need, oh, that's really crooked. Oh well. I'm not sure if you would have watched my last videos, but I ended up for my wedding buying 2 dresses, and because I found the first one last year and I thought I really loved it at the time, and then when it came in May, I tried it on again and really didn't like it, and I'd bought it already, and then I ended up getting like a skirt made and having a top for the actual wedding, which I was really happy with, but I need to sell this dress now, so I need to make sure I put that up for sale. So I'm going to get a quarter box just because it's a bit bigger. And what colour? Yeah, I'll use the gold glitter. And I might just get one of these arrows from Arctic Paper Studio to mark that. Look at that. And then I wanted to go and get some groceries, but I'll just use one of our icons again. And I'm just going to pop that down there. There, I think that's looking really nice. Okay, on to Wednesday. As usual, I babysit in the mornings for my sister. I babysit my niece so that she can take my nephew to swimming. So let's grab a green little label. And I'm going to grab a heart sticker from Clever Gal Crafts for that. And then I want to publish a memory spread plan with me because I'm doing really well with those at the moment. Like I'm going back and memory planning our holiday. So I might grab a flag. And then I'll mark it with a paper clip like I did with the other video. Like this. There we go. And that's all that I have at the moment. On Thursday, at the moment I don't really have anything, so I'm going to leave that blank because it really just does get filled up as my week goes on. It will just be a lot of work, a lot of prep. yeah, so I'll leave that blank. On Friday, it's our last new release day before Black Friday, so I've got a few other things that I want to release before next weekend, or the 23rd, so let's grab a quarter box. I'll get a pepper one for down the bottom, and I might use a bow from Clever Gal, no, yeah, a bow from Clever Gal Crafts. I think that'd be nice. And then I want to make sure I send out the newsletter as well, so I'm doing well with the newsletters. If you do want to sign up for it, make sure to go to our website, which is thegpstudio.com, and scroll down the bottom, and I send out newsletters just so you know what like new releases are coming and any other news. So I'll get the gold glitter label and one of these arrows from Pigeon Paper Company. I think that'd be really cute. They're so adorable, like that. And then let's put the weekend banner down for the weekend. Where did it go? Here. There we go. I think that looks quite nice actually. So Saturday morning we go to the farmers market, so I might just grab another label for that. Actually, I don't mind having the weekend banner down the bottom. And then from Clever Gal Crafts, I have these getting and spending icons, and it's got like a little farmer's market stall, so I might use this colour here. There. And then I just want to do a massive tidy and clean, so of like our office, and we have like another room that we use for work, so I'm actually going to get a half box because hopefully that'll take most of the day and we can get it all done. And I've got our cleaning girl here, Alice, that I'll put down like that. And then hopefully on Sunday that means I can have a bit of a day off and relax, so I might just get a little things. No, a quarter box I think, and let's use the marble one, and I'll put it up the top here. And just use our lazy day icon and just put it right in the middle. Like that. How's that looking? Yeah, that's looking really pretty. I love how this is turning out. So I'm just going to go and fill in a few things. And just while I was doing that, I remembered, so I also want to mark on Friday to publish the new releases video. I don't think it'll be very long because we won't have too many, but I'm just going to grab one of these block headers and use the paper clip again for that. Yeah. And I think that's it. So what I'm going to do now is just grab some of the deco from the kit and just sprinkle it around a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to pop that back into the planner. There we go. I love how that turned out. I think it's so pretty. So yeah, this is our Ophelia kit. And I definitely want to film a setup in this planner very soon because I'm finding it's really working for me. So I want to show you guys, but I just want to tweak it a little bit more. But yeah, let me know what you think. And I just wanted to say I have a little goal to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year on YouTube, but I don't think I'm going to get there. But if you would like to subscribe, that would be amazing and help me reach one of my goals. So yeah, until my next video, I will talk to you guys then. Bye.